Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to send an email using your Hotmail or Outlook account, step by step. Whether you're new to Outlook, switching from another email service, or just need a quick refresher, this video will walk you through everything in under 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, whichever you like. Now, type outlook.com in the address bar and hit enter. You'll land on the Outlook login page. Click the sign in button. Next, enter your Hotmail or Outlook email address. For example, your name at hotmail.com and click next. Then type in your password and click sign in again. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken straight to your Outlook inbox. Now it's time to create your message. On the left-hand side of your Outlook homepage, you'll see a new mail button. Click that. A new email window will open on the right side of your screen. In the To field, type the recipient's email address carefully. You don't want to send it to the wrong person. Then, move down to the subject line and write a short, clear title that describes your email. For example, meeting reminder or project update. Next, in the large blank space below the subject line, type your message. You can format your text, bold, italic, or add bullet points using the toolbar just above the message box. If needed, you can also attach files by clicking the paperclip icon or insert emojis to add a friendly touch. Once you've written your message and double-checked everything, click the send button at the top or bottom of the window. And just like that, your email is on its way. To make sure your email was successfully sent, go to the Sent Items folder on the left sidebar. You'll see your message listed right there. If it's there, that means your email was sent successfully. And that's it. You've just learned how to send an email using your Hotmail or Outlook account. Super simple, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.